Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to share the Vinayaka Chaturthi celebration. For this, first we are going to prepare the kolukattai. For the sweet kolukattai, take 1 cup of jaggery. To this add 1.5 cups of water. Let the jaggery melt completely. Once the jaggery is completely melted, add 1 cup of scraped coconut. To this add a pinch of cardamom powder. Let this get thick. By the time let us start the PIDI kolukattai. For the PIDI kolukattai, add some oil in a pan. To this add few mustard seeds. Here our sweet stuffing is ready. It is thick now. Let us take it out. We need to prepare dough for the sweet kolukattai. So I am going to take a pan, pour some water in it and heat it. I am going to use 1 cup of flour. For that we need 2 cups of water. The mustard started popping. Now we can add half teaspoon of black gram, half teaspoon of split chickpeas, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry this well. Next let us add 1 chopped green chilli. Next is 1 chopped onion. Saute this until the onions turn translucent. To this add few chopped coriander leaves and curry leaves. Let us add the required amount of salt. Add some salt to the water too. Once onions are done, you can add a quarter cup of scraped coconut. Let us add a cup of water. Allow it to boil. Once the water starts boiling, you can add half cup of rice flour. Stir this continuously until this becomes thick. The dough for the spicy kolukattai is ready. Let us take it out. For the sweet, we need 1 cup of rice flour. Add some hot water and knead this into a dough. You have to adjust the hot water according to the need. Your dough has to be soft like this. Take some small ball out of it and flatten it. Keep some stuffing in the middle and close it. So here our sweet kolukattais are ready for steaming. Coming back to the spicy dough, we have to take a small quantity and shape it. So both are ready. Fill the steamer with water. Here I am using an idli steamer. You can use any steamer. Steam cook this for 10 minutes. And here our hot tasty kolukattais are ready. Kolukattais are ready to be served. Let us bring our Ganapati. Ga 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 ma ga ri sa ni sa ri ni sa ri ga sa.
Ga 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 ma ga ri ga ma ga ri ga sa pa sa ni sa.
Ri ni pa sa ga ri.
Ri ga ri ni pa sa ga ri. Pada pa ma ga ri sa ni pa da ni sa.
Shakti shagita Ganapatim
शङ्करादिसेवितं विरक्तसकलमुनिवरसुरराजविनुतगुरुगुहं भक्तानि पोषकं भवसुतं विनायकं भक्तिमुक्तिप्रदमुषितङ्गं रक्तपदाम्बुजनवयमि
Padapamapamagari Sari Sani Sani Padanisa. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the recipe and the celebration. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.